Oh, howdy ho, my little peep deeps. I am going to do a clean with me video. Actually, it's going to be clean with us because Grant's going to come out here and help me as well. But I just wanted to show you kind of what we're dealing with. Got some stuff down on the floor, some things to put away, things to throw away. My infamous dirty counter is revealed right here. So we're going to be going through all of this stuff and marshaling it into shape. So anyhow, just wanted to give you guys a little intro to this Clean With Us video. And here we go. Oh boy, here we go. We got Grant moving and grooving there in the mudroom, putting stuff away, trying to associate all the Vitamix stuff together. I'm getting him to rearrange my Toledo scale so that it's sitting correctly. It drives me crazy. He's got a coffee drawer. Everything for coffee goes in there. Let's see what else are we doing? Just putting junk away, this and that. My tools, his tools. And oh man, does that ever need to be cleaned. But first you gotta make a spot to put your appliances before you can get to your messy cabinet. Okay. Our coffee maker's been leaking. All right. Ooh, nastiness. Yeah, mostly that's just leakage from the coffee maker. And he's just going to scrub and scrub and scrub till that's done. Bless his heart. I love cleaning stainless steel. It's always so, hospital ready when you're done with your spray cleaner. So, yeah, this took a while, so I had to speed it all up into super fast forward mode. Of course, it was going to be an hour. I think it's fun to watch the super fast forward mode, though. Yeah. And right about here, we were trying to decide how many specks of things to leave on the counter to drive OCD people crazy. I said, no, you know what? Let's not. Let's just clean it all off. Let's not leave any specks. Let's not drive the OCD people crazy. There's got to be enough left over in this room to drive them crazy. So, why add to it? Clean the Vitamix, Grant. His beloved Vitamix. Boy, does he love that thing. Okay. Now here's the part where we fight. Yeah. I always make him keep all his tools associated. He doesn't like to do that. He likes to leave them strung out all over the house. I want them all in one spot. If you're looking for a tool, you know where to go. So, what's so funny is he keeps taking stuff into my pantry room. I'm going to make him clean that out too. He's going to have to haul all that stuff out of there eventually. Poor Grant. Here he's fixing he just fixed the little flamethrower torch thingy for me. Yeah. Okay, that's what we really fought over, that thing right there. I said, I do not know what that is, but it is taking up space in my house. Get rid of it. Oh, God. Okay, what are we doing here? Oh, I'm just throwing a few little things away. Trying to figure out what everything that's left on the counter is for. Yep, I don't know. That's a broken thing. Why do we have it? I'm probably going to dig it up and throw it out when he's not looking. Okay. Yep, taking that outside. And then we're done. We're done. This is several days later. I just wanted to give you a peeky poo and let you see that we've actually finished up these counters, put everything away that needed to be put away, with the exception of the carrots. Grant brought home a bunch of carrots today, and I don't know why, because I still have a bunch in the refrigerator, but we'll find out. So yeah, there we go. It's not pretty, but it's clean and organized. And that is what I promised, clean and organized. Bye bye.